Did you know the sun actually makes sound? Not science fiction, this is real. Our star constantly produces pressure waves inside its fiery body, similar to how sound waves move through air. But here's the catch: space is a vacuum. There's no air, so the sound can't travel to our ears. Thanks to NASA, scientists converted these solar vibrations into audible sound using data from space telescopes. And guess what? It's eerie, deep, and almost musical. A literal voice of the sun. Too quiet for human ears, but not for our technology. Like, share, and follow the Fact Vault for more cosmic curiosities.